Hey guys, welcome back. If you're like a small creator like me and you like really want a pretty good light for your studio setup, then this is probably one of the best options out there on the market. And here is the model number right over here. And we do actually get it like also comes with a tripod as well as a Type-C charger. And of course, this is multi-RGB. You can just go through all of the colors, and we even have a magnetic base, so you can just attach this to anything you want. And here is the light itself. So we do have these adjustable shades, so how you want the beam pattern to be going on. And here is all my controls. This is the tripod I was talking about. So you can just put this like this, and I can remove this tripod and I can just attach it to a bigger tripod like this, how I have my current light mounted on the top. So, and if you don't want this, I can actually remove this shade on the top, but personally I actually do like the shade because it actually allows me to adjust this. So if I don't want the light hitting directly on my camera, I can just adjust this so I don't have that issue going on. We do have some cooling vents in here, and if I press and hold this, there you go, it turns on right away. And now what I can do is I do have a lot of them hosted right over here. It's actually showing me the battery level on the top. If I press here once, now it's gonna be in the high and low beam. Like we do have the pulsing. We have like so many scenes going on in here. Paparazzi, emergency. We have like 20 different scenes going on in here. And if I press one more time, this is probably one of my best ones because here I can actually adjust the temperature color like this. And this thing is way brighter than my current setup that I have going on. I can just rotate it like this. There you go. It's actually going through the different temperature levels. And if I press this right over here, now it will go back to my brightness level. So I can go all the way to 100. Bring it all the way down, whatever works best for me, just like this. And this is the RGB mode. And this I can just go through basically all the different RGB levels that I want to. As I said before, we have over 359 options, which is pretty cool. Like always, the link will be down below in the description, so please do go check that out.